Now, here's how you can get a one Notion page on your iPhone home screen or homepage. So let's get started, but before we do, make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you never miss videos like these. Okay, let's get into it. So obviously, you know that you can easily just add the Notion icon right there, but when you get inside, you have to just choose the page you want to go to. In order to have one specific page on your home screen, what you can do is to hold down on the screen anywhere, click on edit, then add a widget, and from the widgets, just look up the word Notion, right? So make sure you type in properly. And here, plenty of widgets to pick from, but you have to go with the first one, which is for page, means that you can get quick access to one of your Notion pages. So you click on this, you add it to your home screen, and as it's still like shakes or as you are still in the edit mode, make sure to tap it. It's gonna like flip over like this. And now you have to pick your workspace, which is likely only gonna be one, but if you have multiple accounts, you might just switch over and then you choose a page. So for whatever reason, sometimes it does not work. And if this is the case, I'm gonna hit done. Then I'm gonna close the Notion app and then reopen it like this. And now again, I'm gonna hold down on this widget, click on edit widget, and now it should have the pages to pick from. So I can just add my habit tracker in here, for example. I'm gonna click somewhere else. And right now I have one very specific page added to my home screen where I can easily just click on it and it just gets me inside of my page. You know, right here, I can just start tracking my habits or whatever. So that's how it works. Hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to this channel so you never miss videos like these in the future. And I'm going to see you later on in the next one.